These are the steps required in solving joint variation problems. Step 1. Translate the variation statement into a mathematical sentence.
Joint variation problems are solved using the equation y equals kxz. When dealing with word problems, you should consider using variables other than x, y, and z. You should use variables that are relevant to the problem being solved. Also, read the problem carefully to determine if there are any changes in the joint variation equation, such as squares, cubes, or square roots. Let us consider this problem. In translating the statement, the mass M of a rectangular sheet of wood varies jointly as the length L and the width W into a mathematical sentence, we must consider the variables M, L, and W instead of Y, X, and Z. So, the equation must be M is equal to K, L, W.
Step 2. Solve for the value of constant variation K.
Use the information given in the problem to find the value of K. In this problem, use the information when the length is 30 centimeters and the width is 10 centimeters, the mass is 600 grams in solving for K, or constant of variation. Using the equation in step 1, substitute 600 to M, 30 to the variable L, and 10 with W. Multiply 30 by 10 to simplify the right side of the equation. Then divide the result, which is 300, on both sides of the equation to solve for the variable K. Cancel out 300 on the right side. 600 divided by 300 is 2. Therefore, the value of K is 2. We may also consider the equation K equals M over L W. In using this formula, simply replace M with 600, L with 30, W with 10. Now, we have K is equal to 600 all over 30 times 10. So, K is equal to 600 all over 300, and K is equal to 2.
Step 3. Write the equation of variation.
Rewrite the equation from step 1, substituting in the value of K found in step 2. Therefore, from M is equal to KLW, the equation of variation is M is equal to 2LW.
And step 4, the last step, solve what is asked in the problem.
Use the equation found in step 3 and the remaining information given in the problem to answer the question asked. When solving word problems, remember to include units in your final answer. In this problem, you are asked to find the mass when the length is 35 centimeters and the width is 20 centimeters. In the equation of joint variation, M is equal to 2LW, replace L with 35 and W with 20. Then, simplify the right side of the equation by multiplying 2 by 35 by 20. Therefore, M is equal to 1,400 grams. So, the mass of the rectangular sheet of wood is 1,400 grams when the length is 35 centimeters and the width is 20 centimeters.